Netashri, you can log in once again. Surabhi, you can also log in one more time. We shall wait a few more minutes for students to come in. Good afternoon, Mayur, Pratisha, Abhishek. Okay, do you see the notepad on the screen? Please respond me, any one of you. Notepad. Do you see the notepad? Okay, okay, Rakshita. We shall wait for a few more minutes. Vaishnavi. How about other students? Only 40 to 50 members are attending. How about others? Is there any idea for you people? I think they are very busy. Udank.
Yes, sir.
How about other students? Only 40 to 50 members will be attending. How about other 50%?
Don't know, sir.
Hmm?
Don't know, sir.
They will be nearby your vicinity, na? One of your friends, they will be.
Our friends ಎಲ್ಲರೂ were like Karthik had have some work today. He won't be attending. Surabhi had come, but she was removed later on.
Not now. Every day also same thing. I
I
think
don't know,
they
sir.
don't have any technical. Is there any technical problem with those people?
Yes, sir. Surabhi will be facing some technical problems. Chetna power is not there today. And
Mhm.
other times we will be there, sir.
No, if you see the count of the students, it is only 33 or 34. But your
Yes,
strength is
sir.
uh,
ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 44 ಇದೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್.
120 students. It seems.
Yes, sir.
Both the sections together.
Okay. I don't know, sir. CR should answer that.
They feel it's useless.
I don't know, sir. Cannot say. I cannot say for behalf of them, right?
Okay. At least they could have visited at least one class, one or two classes.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ 70-80 ತನಕ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Okay. Nowadays they may be busy.
Probably yes, sir.
Okay. So we shall start the second module. I have started in the last class. I have started about the second module where you are going to learn about the lists and tuples. We are going to learn about lists, how to work with the list. Similarly, assignment operators, methods which support the list. Similarly, some programs. Okay. In the second module, you are going to learn strings. Strings is very important. Strings, lists, tuples, Okay, this entire Python is about lists and strings and tuples, okay, and dictionaries. Okay, so everybody must know the definition of array. Okay, it's a collection of similar data elements. So the definition of a list also will be similar to array. Okay, but here the collection will be different. We may have multiple collections of different data types. Okay, here we may have integer, here we may have some string. Okay, some name. Say I'll give some name. Okay, similarly we may have some float value. Okay, similarly it may have some bool data type. So multiple collections. A collection of different data types. That is a definition for list. Okay, and always you must remember Pauzia. Always list will be enclosed within square brackets. Okay, you see the first note, items always must be enclosed within double quotes, square brackets. Similarly, it must be separated by comma. Every element must be separated by comma. You see there, 1 comma Ganesh comma 2000.500 comma, like that. Everything must be separated by commas. Every element or every item must be separated by commas. Similarly, the first element, if you want to access the first element, the index for first element is 0. Okay, the index for first element is 0. Similarly, the last element will be n minus 1. Okay, if you want to access the last element, it will be n minus 1. Okay, similarly indexes must be always integers. 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, 0, 1, okay, 2, like this. We can't use float values like this, 1.2, something like that. Okay, similarly strings, if the elements are strings, means they must be enclosed within single quotes or double quotes. Single quotes or double quotes. Okay, like this. If you see the first example, 1, 2, 3 placed in a list, directly we are interacting through the shell there. Okay, directly we can give the list itself. In the second example, we are placing strings. Okay, the second example is for strings: cat, bat, rat, and elephant. Okay, if you place enter, you will get the same list as output. If you see the third example, we are giving the multiple items of different data types. Hello is a string. Okay, because it is string, because it is enclosed within single quotes. Similarly, if you see the second element, it is float. Okay, because it is having after dot, you are having 1415. Okay, so it is a float value. Similarly, true is a bool data type. If you see the next, none is also a data type. Similar to null. Okay, similar to null. Similarly, if you take 42, it is an integer. Okay, we can place those things directly. I'm going to the command prompt. I'm entering directly the list 1, 2, 3. I'm using command prompt because this can't be done in PyCharm. Okay, we need to use print statement. 1, 2, 3. You got 1, 2, 3. Similarly, some elements. Rat. I'm using some strings. Okay, rat. These are textbook examples. Cat. Okay, some bat. If you type enter, you're going to get the same list as output. If you want multiple data types, say I may take rat is a string, then I will take integer, then I will take some float values, 3.14143, something like that. It's a float value. Similarly, I may take none data type. Similarly, I will take bool. Okay, so how many data types are there? 5 data types. So you got rat 1, 3.134, none, and false. So if I want to access, similarly I told you about indexing, getting the individual element by using the indexes. Say in this list I want the third element. How to get that one? Can anybody try for this? I want the third element, 3.134. If you want 3.134, how to get? By specifying the list. Any one of you can type in the chat box 3.134. The index starts with 0. So it is 2. Okay, you can see there. So after list, we must give 2. Okay. You got 3.134. Similarly, say I want false. Its index is 3, 4. Okay. Its index is 4. Okay. Similarly, I told you about the negative indexing. Also. If I want false, by using negative indexing, it starts from -1 from right side. So what will be the output for this? If I give, what will be the output for this? Please type me in the chat box. False. Okay, good. Namrata says it's false. Sri Lakshmi says it's false. -1. It is false. Similarly, say I want none. Okay, by using negative indexing, we can give -2. Okay. None. It is not displayed. See, have a note on it. None is not displayed. Okay, because there is nothing there to display. So if you see, I have took the third index. Okay, third index is 3.134. Similarly, if I want rat, I may use 5. Okay, 3, 4, and 5. You see there, for 5 it is rat. Okay, I told you about the negative indexing. Similarly, I told you about concatenation. If you want to concatenate any of these two elements of the list with the strings, we can do like this. See in this example, cat, bat, rat, and elephant. Okay, say I have assigned that one to spam. Say hello cat. If I want hello cat, hello must be enclosed within single quotes. Okay, and this list of its index must be given. Okay, so in this list, say for example, I will assign this list to spam. Okay, spam is equal to rat, okay, something like this. So if I want hello rat, can anybody type this? Hello rat. Type in the chat box hello rat. By using the indexing. Hello. Okay, Sri Lakshmi says hello. Okay, good. Hello plus spam of 0. Good. Say here, we want hello. Okay, we can't write this one directly. Here, this must be enclosed within single quotes. Plus rat. Okay, say rat. Okay, instead of rat, we can use the list name. List name is spam. Okay, and its index for rat is 0. So we got hello rat. Say we want some space. So you got hello rat. This is concatenation. Similarly, here, if you see the next example, here the spam one. Okay, the bat ate the cat. If you want the message like this, the must be placed in single quotes. Then spam one is for bat. Similarly, ate the. Okay, that is a string which we want to display or concatenate. Similarly, the spam. Okay, spam 0 is for cat. Okay, similarly, we are also concatenating dot here for full stop. Okay, next, we can't give a float values. If you see there, the float values, say spam of say 3.0, it can't be given. If I give like this, the Python will hit you or slap you. Okay, so spam 3.0, it says list indices must be integers. Okay, list indices must be integers. So float values must be not given as indices. Okay, you see there in the next example, we have used list within list. Okay, list within list. Cat and bat is a list. Similarly, 10, 20, 30, 40 is another list. We can do like that also. Okay, 1 minute. So if you see there, I'll copy this. I'll copy this, I'll paste this. Okay, now say if I want bat, okay, if I want bat means spam of okay. 0 is for rows, okay. In the zeroth row first element, in the zeroth row it is first element, okay. This is the indexing. If you want bat, okay, you see we got bat. Similarly, if I want 20, how to do that? If I want 20, how to do the indexing? Any one of you? If I want 20, spam of 11. Okay, Vamshi says spam of 11. Srilakshmi says spam of 03. You see there? We want 20. Okay, the first list will be considered as 0. Okay, the second list will be considered as 1. So it is 1. Okay, similarly, we want 20, is it? So 0 comma here it is 0 index and this is first index, spam of 11. So you'll get 20. Similarly, I want 40. What will be the indexing for 40? Any one of you? Please type me in the chat box. 40. For 40. 1 of 3. Good. You see there? 1 means the second row. So I can give for 40 it is 3. Okay. Spam of 1, 3 is 40. Now this time I'll add one more list. Here this time I will add one more list. Okay, cat, bat. This time I will add some street names. Vijayanagar. Okay. Similarly, I'll use Rajaji Nagar. Okay. Now, if I want Rajaji Nagar, what will be the index? How to access that? By using indexing. Please type me in the chat box. Spam of 21. Good. You see there? 0 is for first list. Okay. 1 is for second list. 2 is for third list. So here you can see spam of 2. Okay, 2 stands for the third list, which consists of Vijayanagar and Rajinagar. If you see the axis, if you see the column, it is the first column. So it is 2, 1. So it is Rajajinagar. Okay, like this. We can access list within list. Now I told you about the negative indexing also. The next example is slicing. Very important. Slicing. Okay, or getting the sub list. If you see the list, the spam list, it is having a cat, bat, rat, and elephant. Say I want bat and rat. Okay, that can be got as spam of starter. Its index is 1. Okay, its index is 1, and we must give column. And 3. Okay, here we must give 3. 3 is excluded. You see there, 3 is excluded. Okay, 3 is excluded. That means bat and rat will be printed. Okay, so you can see in this case, I'll take the same example. This is known as slicing. We want the sub list. Okay, I'll copy this, I'll paste this, say I want bat and rat. I want bat and rat. So spam of bat's index is 1. Okay, and we must give colon. Start is 1 and stop is 3. Okay, stop is 3. 3 is excluded. 3 is excluded. You see, bat and rat. Similarly, say if I want all the elements, okay, we must give 0 and empty. If I leave the second stop as empty, it prints all the things. It prints all the things, entire list. Okay. So similarly, if I want if you see there, if I want to print that one in the reverse order, if I want that one to print in the reverse order, we can give spam of -1. Okay. Now I'll take one more example. Say I'll take operating systems. Can you give me examples for operating systems? Type in the chat box. iOS, Unix, Windows. Good. iOS. Whether iOS is a operating system, Windows, Unix, any other operating systems? How about Android? Android is also an operating system. Similarly, Linux is also operating system. Okay. Similarly, Ubuntu is an operating system. Okay. Similarly, you are having one more operating system like Z operating system, which is used in mini computers. Okay. All these are operating systems. So I have made a list of operating systems. Say I want from Unix to Linux. How to do that? By using slicing. Please type in the chat box from Unix to Linux. See the list there? The output must be Unix to Linux. 2 and 6. Pramod says 2:6. Okay. Nitish says 2:5. Okay. You see there, iOS is 1, Windows, iOS is 0, Windows is 1, Unix is 2. Okay. 3 and 4. Okay. 2, 3, 4. But we must include 5. The start must be 0, 1, 2 and give colon, and it must print until 2, 3, 4. Okay, that means we must give 5. So what is the mistake? Please, any one of you. OS. Okay, good. I should not give equal to. So Unix, Android and Linux. Similarly, I'll give one more example. This time we can go with languages. Okay. So L stands for LAN. LAN stands for languages. C_languages. C stands for computer languages. Okay. Now type me the computer languages, whatever you know, on the chat box. computer languages: Java, C, C++, Python. Durga says Python. C hash. Rakshita says C hash. Good. Fortran. Good. Abhishek says Fortran. Perl. P-A-R-L. Perl. Okay. Sarah says Perl. Okay. I'll type all the languages, whatever you have typed. C languages. So I'll start with C, C++, C hash. Okay. Then Java, Python, R. Okay. Fortran. Okay. Similarly, COBOL. Now, Ruby. Okay. Then Scala. Okay. Then Go. Okay. Similarly, any other languages? PHP. Good. Pramod says PHP. Good. Very good. Server-side programming language. PHP. Okay. Good. How about HTML? HTML is also a language. PHP, HTML. Then JavaScript. How about JavaScript? Very powerful. Okay. Now I'll type enter. I got some mistake. I'll type one more time. Languages, few languages. It has gone to the next line. That's the problem. C++, Java, Scala. Okay. Go, HTML. Now I want Scala and so what is the mistake? Good. I must enclose all those things in quotes. I must enclose this one in quotes. I'll enclose this one in single quotes. I'll enclose this one in double quotes. Okay. This one in single quotes. For one of them, I have to double quotes also. For this one, I'll take double quotes. Say I'll type enter. Okay. Now I want Scala and Go. Okay. Now what will be the indexing? Please type in the chat box for Scala and Go. The index for C is 0. C++ is 1. For Java it is 2. For Scala it is 3. For Go it is 4. Okay. C language 3:5. Okay, good. For Scala and Go, we must write C language of. We must give square brackets. You must give start. Okay. The start value is 0, 1, 2, 3. Start value is 3. Okay. Then we want 4 also. Okay. So we must give 5. If you type enter, we got Scala and Go. Now, if I want the entire list, we can give the starting index as 0 and you leave this one as empty. Okay. You'll get the entire list. Okay. This is what the slicing is. How do we slice the fruits? Okay. Now, similarly, we can how to assign the values by using indexing. Okay. For example, I want Scala to be replaced with COBOL. Okay. If you want to do that, the index of Scala is C. The index of Scala is 3. The index of Scala is 3. Okay. So I want that one to be replaced with COBOL. Okay. I want to replace that one with COBOL. I'll type enter. Now this time I'll try to print by using slicing itself. You see there, the Scala has been changed to COBOL. Okay. Similarly, this time I want Go to be replaced with Ruby. Go to be replaced with Ruby. Okay. Can you type me for that? Go must be replaced with Ruby. Good. Abhishek says language of 3 is equal to, see here, 3 instead of 3. Okay. 3 must be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go must be replaced with Go must be replaced with Ruby. Okay, so you can give Ruby. The index for Go is 4. Now, if you want to type the entire thing, just even you can give the list name. You can give the list name like this. So you got the entire thing. So HTML. Say I want HTML must be replaced with PHP. HTML must be replaced with PHP. If you see the HTML index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So 5 is equal to PHP. Okay. Is it correct? Is it correct? Okay, good. PHP must be enclosed within single quotes. Okay, or even double quotes also. So it has been replaced. If you want to check that, you can give the list name. Okay, we got HTML replaced with PHP. This is how you can replace, how you can insert by using the indexes. You see in this example, all these are textbook examples: cat, bat, rat, and elephant. Okay, now bat is replaced with aardvark. Okay, aardvark. So you see there, cat is replaced with aardvark. Similarly, the spam one is assigned to spam 2. Okay, that means what is spam 1 there? What is spam 1? That is aardvark. That is replaced to rat. Okay, that's why you see in the next statement. You can see there, the rat is replaced with aardvark. Okay, similarly, the last element, if you want to replace the last element with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, he has used -1. Okay, so elephant will be replaced with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see there, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now similarly, I took one more example: database vendors. Okay, Oracle is by Oracle. Similarly, the database provided by IBM is DB2. MS Access is given by Microsoft. Okay, similarly, MySQL is open source. MySQL is open source. Similarly, I have took a list, and I have printed that. That's all. Okay. Now the next thing is combining two lists. List concatenation. Okay. Combining two lists. Just we are using plus operator. Okay. If you use plus operator, two lists will be combined. So in the first list we are having 1, 2, 3. In the second list we are having ABC. Okay. So when you type that, when you type enter, you are going to get both the lists concatenated. Similarly, the replication is nothing but multiplication. Okay. All the elements will be replaced. All the elements will be replaced in the list 3 times. Okay. XYZ will be replaced 3 times. Okay. Now we can do that. I'll clear this. How to clear this? How to clear the screen? Any one of you? How to clear the screen by using a import module? Import OS. Okay, OS is a module. OS is having a function like OS system. Okay, it takes a parameter CLS. Okay, it clears the screen. So it has been cleared. Now I'll take the first list 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now I'm concatenating this one with A, B, C, the another list. So A, okay, comma, B, B, similarly C. Okay, similarly C. What is the mistake in this? What is the mistake in this? C is a. What is the mistake in this? C must be enclosed within single quotes. Good. Now you see there. Okay, I'll type enter. So you got 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Okay, this time I'll take one more list. I'll take one more list. List one of music directors. This time we'll go with music directors. Music directors. Okay. Now I'll use Hamsalekha. Okay. Similarly, I'll take Guru Kiran. Guru Kiran. Okay. Now this is first list. Okay. I'll take one more. Music directors 1. Okay. So this time I'll take Arjun Janya. Okay. Similarly, I'll take one more, Ravi Basrur. Okay. Now, if you want to concatenate these two strings, to these two lists, how to do that? Please type me in the chat box. I want to combine the music directors of both the lists. Please type me in the chat box. Music director plus music underscore director 1. Good. Whatever the names we give, we must give the same thing. Here, music underscore directors. Okay. Plus music director 1. You see there, we do many mistakes. Here we miss S. Okay. Or we may give, here we may give capital D. Okay. Like this. Those kind of small errors will be there. Spelling mistakes. So music directors plus music underscore director 1. Okay. When you combine that, you are going to get Arjun Janya, Hamsalekha, Guru Kiran, Arjun Janya, and Ravi Basrur. Okay. Now similarly, I want Hamsalekha and Guru Kiran to be placed 2 times in the music directors. Now, if you want to do that, we can use into 2. Okay. You see there, Hamsalekha, Guru Kiran. It has been placed 2 times. Okay. Now similarly, say I'll take one more list this time. Movies. This time I'll take movies. Okay. Okay. KGF 2. Say I want this one to be placed 5 times in the movies. Okay. How to do that? Please type me in the chat box. KGF 2. That must be placed 5 times in the movies list by using replication. Movies into 5. Good. You must be careful about the capitals. Okay. Say I have entered this into, here we must give the replication operator. The star is known as replication operator. Okay, into into 5. Okay. You see there, if you want to see the list now, you must type list name and type enter. It has been placed 5 times. Okay. Similarly, that is known as replication. That is known as replication. Similarly, I'll take one more list. This time, I'll take websites. Websites list. Websites list. Okay. Websites 1. Websites 1. Okay. I'll take Facebook. I'll take Instagram. Next I'll take YouTube. Okay. This is first list. Similarly, I'll take one more list. Websites. Okay. 2. Okay. Now can you type me any of the websites names? Any of your favorite? Maybe Netflix. Everybody is interested in Netflix. So I'll take Netflix. Okay. Similarly, I may take Amazon Prime. Okay. Please type me any of your favorite websites. Please type me any of your favorite websites. Amazon Prime, Netflix, one more, Hotstar. Okay. Now, okay, say I want to take that one into WS. Okay, so we can type websites 1 plus websites 2. Okay, now that will be placed in websites or WS. Okay, now what is the mistake? So what is the mistake? Please type in the chat box. The mistake I did, websites 2. Okay, I must give underscore. So you see there, WS. Both the lists will be combined. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar. Okay. Now similarly, say I want to delete Hotstar. If I want to delete the Hotstar, you can use the command del. Okay, del say WS of its index. What is the index of Hotstar? Please type in the chat box. If you want to remove any of the element, we must use the keyword del and its index and the list name. Okay. Now say in this example, I want to delete Hotstar. Please type in the chat box. 5. Sara Batul says delete WS of 5. Okay. Delete WS of 5. Okay. Enter. It has been deleted. If you want to check, if you want to verify, type WS. Hotstar has been deleted. Say Netflix. I want to delete Netflix. How to do that? Please type me in the chat box. I want to delete the Netflix. Delete WS of 3. Sri Lakshmi says delete WS of 3. Good. Delete WS of 3. Okay. Now the Netflix has been deleted. You want to verify means WS. So you see there, Netflix has been deleted. So I want to print these items 2 times. WS WS into 2, and that one I want to place in new list, new websites, new underscore websites. Okay, that entire thing will be multiplied 2 times and will be placed in one more list, that is new s. Okay, type enter. Now you see new underscore ws. So you see there it has been multiplied 2 times and placed in the list new underscore ws. Okay, see, if you see the textbook examples, he took a list, cat, bat, rat, and elephant. He deleted a rat by using index 2. Okay. Similarly, one more time he has deleted. Now the rat and elephant has been deleted. Similarly, working with lists. See here, he took an example of cats. These are the names of cats. Okay. If I want to read the names, read those names, we must type multiple 5 times. Okay, and if you want to print them in a list, if the list was not there, we used to do like this. Okay, now I'll try to do that. So already I have typed that. If the list was not there, how to read the list names? Okay, we see there we are giving a enter name of cat 6 times or 5 times or 6 times. Then we are printing all the 6 cats. Okay, like this we used to do. And the names of the cats are Sophie, Hookah, Simon, Lady Macbeth, Fattail, and Miss Cleo. Okay, this is textbook example. Okay, if I run this, we are getting a message like enter the name of cat 1. I'll be entering Sophie. Okay, enter. Now you got enter the name of second cat, Hookah. Okay, enter. Now the third cat, Simon. Okay, enter. Similarly, Lady Macbeth. Okay, enter. Fourth cat. Now fifth cat is Fattail. See the names, how funny they are. Fattail. Similarly, Miss Cleo. Okay. Cats have been got respect. Okay. Now you see there the cat names are Sophie, Hookah, Simon, Lady Macbeth, Fattail, and Miss Cleo. Okay. This is by using a traditional way. We are concatenating by using space. Okay. Similarly, this can be done by using lists. The same thing can be done by using lists. Yes, I will comment this. Now I'll comment I'll uncomment this. You see there, this is the program. We are initializing, we are taking a list of the name as cat names. Okay, that is initialized with empty list. Please see there, it is empty list. If you want to initialize anything with the empty means, we can do like this, empty list. Okay, after that, while true, always true means it is 1. We are giving the message, enter the name of the cat, and length of cat names. It will be 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So you'll get the message like, we'll see the first message, enter the name of cat 1. Okay, enter the name of the cat 1. Okay, this is the output you are going to get. Or enter nothing to stop. Okay, we will run this. This will be repeated 6 times. And placed in the list. I'll uncomment this. I'll run this. So you got the message like enter the first cat name. Okay, so I'll enter. What is the first cat name? Sophie. Okay, first cat name is Sophie. Second cat name is Hookah. Okay, third cat name is Simon. Fourth cat name is Lady Macbeth. Okay. Similarly, fat tail. Similarly, Miss Cleo. Okay. Now you see there. If you want to stop, you need to enter nothing. It has been stopped. For the seventh, I did not enter any cat name. It has been stopped. You see there, the cat names are okay. We are using for loop. You see there how it executes. This will be repeated for 6 times or 7 times. Whatever we enter, that will be stored in name. Okay. It will check whether name is equal to null character. If it is null, we need to break. We are stopping the program. Else, we are concatenating. Okay. Initially, it will be Zophie. In the next iteration, it will be Zophie plus Hookah. In the next iteration, it will be Zophie, Hookah plus Simon. Okay. Like that, it will be concatenated every time. Okay. After that, we are printing the list by using the for loop, by using this for loop. Okay, by using for loop. Okay, and this is for concatenation. We want space. We want space after every name. Okay, that's why we are giving space here. Okay, try to analyze this. This is the textbook example. This is the textbook example. Okay, I think we can stop here. I think we can stop here. Are you able to understand what I am saying? Am I fast? Please respond me in the chat box. Am I fast? Say yes or no. Okay. Okay, good. So in this session, you learned concatenation, replication, deletion, okay, slicing. In this class, you learned indexing, list within list, negative indexing, then slicing, inserting the elements by using indexes, concatenation, replication, and deletion of elements, and some program to get the elements into the list by using the for loop. Okay. Okay, thank you. We can stop here. Thank you, Sirisha. Have a great day for you also. If you have any problems, you can contact me. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Rakshita. Thank you, every one of you. Please practice every day. If you are having any issues, please contact me. Thank you, Priya. Thank you, Surabhi.